Good evening, explorers.
Good evening.
We are in Crystal River today at the retreat at Crystal Manatee, which is a family-owned establishment in the heart of Crystal River.
Looking around here, because we've been here many times, I think what this family did is they bought this old hotel and they refurbished it, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
This hotel is in walking distance of everything in Crystal River. Right behind us is Kings Bay Park. Right over here is Hunter Springs. And you have all of the different restaurants that are right there. You can walk to all of them.
Yeah, plus plenty of boat ramps if you want access to the river there.
Yeah, and you're only 10 minutes away, it says, from Three Sisters. So that's not bad either.
So actually what we'll do is we'll just show you around the property. It's not very big and it's kind of differently laid out.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you our room.
All right, let's go. They have you actually park across the street, but all of these ones look like they're under renovation.
For this hotel, the check-in is actually in the back.
Check out this old oak tree they have on property. It's huge. I saw this on the computer when I was registering. It's got a little microwave, ice and water. You can have some snacks in case you get hungry. This is open 24 hours a day because there's a code for the door, so that's how you unlock it.
It's like a nice little common area / kitchen. Best of all, it's air conditioned.
Oh my God, yes.
Nicole and I were just talking about the design of this room. It is really cool. It actually has like an old tavern, like medieval feel to it.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of some of those castles we saw in Ireland.
Right? But it's a modern medieval, if that makes sense.
Hey guys, real quick, if you're not a part of the channel, hit that subscribe button below. Also hit the like and notification button so that YouTube knows that you want to see more of us. Also, keep exploring.
This is our room, room 26. Has a little seating area out here. Let's go look inside.
Come on in, you got the king suite. When you first come in, you have this nice desk where Mike will be working probably tonight.
Yes.
We have a beautiful big television, nice king size bed. All right, over here we have a shelf where we've already put some stuff on.
This is actually nice, open and laid out
Yeah,
because
I like it.
we travel with a lot of crap. So.
Yeah, over here, a little closet. You can put all your stuff here if you need to. I do not see a dresser though, but you could possibly use this as a dresser. The shelf over here. This has kind of a tiny little kitchenette. Over in the other room, they do have a microwave, so if you needed a microwave, you could use it there. Oh, and one thing to note, it is a key entry. Haven't had one of those in a while. This is kind of your bathroom sink, but also you can use it as a kitchen sink. It is big and very deep. You have a mirror. You have this fridge here. It's a nice fridge. It's pretty deep. You got a freezer. Nice big size inside for the refrigerator. A barn door, so you can have your privacy when you need it. And then this is one of the reasons why I was like, okay, we have to rent this hotel. It's got a spa-like shower.
Yes.
All these little dials and stuff. It's gonna be a very interesting shower. I may have to take 2 or 3 of them.
Oh, that's just it. Once that sun goes down and we come back here, it's on. I want to actually try that out.
Fun.
Oh, Nicole's already starting. That's our other channel.
Air conditioner, it feels wonderful. It looks like each of the curtains are more of a blackout curtain, so you won't get that pesky light in the morning if you don't want it. They've also kind of decorated the room, and you'll notice in a lot of the rooms, rooms. They've decorated it with replicas of paintings. We saw a bunch of Vincent van Gogh in the other room, so yeah.
Yeah, it's not that cheap hotel knockoff art that you see in a lot of places. It actually has like a little bit of color and meaning to it.
And I was talking to the lady who checked us in. She said this hotel's been here for a very long time, but the owners have been like remodeling it, and they do all the work themselves. And I think they've done like a wonderful job. They are remodeling those ones at the end where we parked, so there's gonna be more soon. Another thing about this place, when you check in, they give you this cute little bag, and inside they give you fresh baked pastries, and it smells so good.
Those are getting devoured later.
Yep, we got 2 of them. This is really neat in the door. It's got a little latch. You unlatch it and you pull it open, and it's actually to the outdoors. There's no glass in there. Looking on their website, I saw that they offer queen suites, king suites, and family suites. So if you have 2 kids, you guys could all come here and share one room. This all has lights on it, so we're kind of hoping this will light up tonight. Kings Bay is that way, Hunter Springs is that way. We are so close to Hunter Springs, so you could just walk there. You don't actually have to deal with parking, which is great because that one fills up really fast.
I think we're gonna go get something to eat. What's actually nice about this area is that there are a lot of restaurants around here.
Yeah.
So you do have your choice of different places.
And you get to walk to everything.
Yeah.
City Hall from 1939, it says. Now it is the City Museum. May 29th, your birthday. They do have a lot of paddling companies up here that will take you out.
If you're more interested in Crystal River, we have done a couple videos on this place in the past.
Yeah.
So we'll leave links to those below and just check them out.
Yeah, so when you stay at the hotel, you have a few things to do while you're here.
Right.
I'm thinking you gotta get here early to get a spot, huh? That was packed. All right, I guess let's keep walking.
Okay, we ended up at Norwood's. We're gonna get something to go because it is 9:45 now.
Yeah.
And a lot of places closed early.
Yep, but we got some drinks while we're waiting.
All right, we got our order to go. Looks like we might have just beat the storm. There's a lot of thunder going on right now.
So
The food smells delicious.
yeah, so Norwood stays open late, but a lot of the other ones close. The ones by the water, they close around 9:30, 10, it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, all right.
but let's go back to the room. Woo! We were crazy walking around in a lightning storm.
Yeah, I know, especially for the metal tin.
God, it's so pretty lit up. Oh, I love it. We can go in there. We decided to eat in the little medieval room because it's cute. At least we got to eat one meal here, right?
Right.
But Norwood's, the staff is real friendly and the food smells really good right now. So I'll have to tell you if it actually is really good. Check this out. Mike got buffalo chicken or buffalo shrimp. And then he got a regular chicken sandwich. And we got a giant pretzel. And then I got this is a chicken Philly cheese wrap. So time to dig in because it's like 10:15.
It is the next day. What a wonderful sleep. That bed was so comfortable.
Yeah, I had an amazing sleep here. It was very quiet.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna go get breakfast.
Yep, let's go check it out. So what are you gonna want, cappuccino or coffee?
French vanilla,
Okay, do you want 12 ounce or 8 ounce?
just a little. All right, got a full breakfast here. Bagels, cereal, coffee, orange juice. Looks delicious.
Okay, explorers, I think this is where we're gonna leave you.
We had a really comfortable, relaxing stay. This really is a retreat. Almost like a hidden gem in Crystal River.
Yeah, we had really good sleep last night. The shower was amazing.
Yeah, this place is located in the heart of Crystal River here. You can walk to almost everything here. You're right on Citrus Road, so you can go do that Heritage Village stuff.
Yeah, Hunter Springs, Kings Bay Park.
Yeah, and you can go on the manatee tours here, whether you want to swim with them or you just want to see them.
And there's plenty of boat tours. In fact, just down the road, I think there's even other airboat tours too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, as always, thank you for coming along with us. Keep exploring.
And we'll see you on the next one. Do we look okay?
I mean, as good as we're gonna look. We have very punchable faces.
I think I'll just sit here.
Wow, Nicole, you're floating.
I'm floating. This is one of the reasons why I was like, okay, we have to rent this hotel. It's got, besides the toilet,
You know, the essential.
it has a toilet. No.